Hey guys, today I have with me the Vivo V21 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.44-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Vivo V21 5G has a bezel-less water drop notch display. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. Vivo V21 5G comes with a triple camera setup with Vivo branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Vivo V21 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. Vivo V21 5G offers a 4000 mAh battery powered by a 33W fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64MP triple camera setup and includes a 64MP primary camera supported by an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera and a 2MP macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 44MP front camera with a dual LED flash. The software version of the Vivo V21 5G is Android 11 with FunTouch OS. So guys, that's it for Vivo V21 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.